Flow is where you can build complete, creative workflows, all inside a single, infinite canvas. If you've already worked with the AI tools available from the home screen, you're probably used to opening them one at a time, each in their own separate interface. Flow completely changes that approach. It brings all of those powerful tools together into one unified workspace, allowing you to visually connect them, chain your prompts together, and build complete workflows. Let's start by opening an existing project. In the top left corner, we can access our Workspace menu. I'll select the Outfits Fashion workflow so we have a great foundation to build upon. Now, let's direct our attention to your main control hub, the floating toolbar located at the bottom center of your screen. This dock is the heart of the Flow experience, and it is exactly where you'll find all the essential tools you will be using the most. Let's begin on the far right with the Uploads button. This opens your comprehensive asset library. We want to add a new accessory to our fashion shoot, so let's switch to the external tab and search Pexels for a Gucci handbag. With one click, it drops right onto our canvas as a new source node. Next, let's hit the Add Node button on the far left to bring in an image generator. Now, we simply connect our new handbag node, along with our sitting character node, directly into this new generator. Once connected, we just hit Run. Let's give the AI a few seconds to process and blend these concepts together. And there it is, perfectly integrated. To keep things organized, we can use the comment tool. This lets you drop floating text notes anywhere on the grid, which is great for leaving instructions or keeping track of your prompt ideas. If you ever need to step back, just click the focus tool. This instantly zooms out and recenters your screen so you can see your entire active project perfectly framed. Now, let's turn this amazing workflow into a reusable template. First, toggle from drag mode to select mode on the toolbar. Click and drag to highlight our entire web of nodes. When you do, a new action menu appears. We will click Save Preset, give it a custom name, and save it to our library. Finally, let's look at the Presets button on our main toolbar. Clicking this reveals your saved presets, including the brand new one we just created. From here, you can instantly drop this entire pipeline into any new project, saving you from ever having to start from scratch again. By mastering this single floating toolbar, you have complete control over AI generation, visual organization, and asset management. In the next episode, we'll explore even more advanced techniques. I'll see you there.